term a professional in my view can be someone who is working in a company. He can also be someone who is a freelancer. He can also be someone who actually is having his own business. In my term, if in my definition you want to ask me. So I would first take the example of a person who is working in a company. If you're talking about the roles and responsibilities, they are not limited to particularly the portions, what is being taught to you in institute. They're also going ahead and giving a lot of leeway and a lot of freedom to creativity. I've personally seen certain examples of people who do MBAs from really good colleges, from good tier colleges. And when they want to go ahead and make their careers in digital, you know, what is the question, what they happen to face from the recruiters? Just guess it. The question is, how much are you aware about digital? I mean, have you actually practiced anything in the past? And these guys are like, okay, I'm an MBA. I have done MBA from a very renowned college. I still need to do certain campaigns. Well, the fact of the matter is, these people who have done MBAs, these graduates have done MBAs. Okay, the problem is a lot of times when most of these MBAs happen to come into companies, they don't do things on their own. Most of the offline marketing activities happen through media buying channels, media buying agencies. But a lot of times, digital marketing happens internally as well, because at the end, what is important in digital, it is tracking. Each and everything is being tracked. A very simple question is, can you actually go ahead and track what is happening on TV ads? Okay, fine, you can get TRP, you can get the number of households who are watching your ads, but you cannot get the exact number of people watching your ads. But that is possible in digital. So every company would want to know that what exactly is the reach of the campaigns, what you have done in the past, and how are you comfortable in managing all the digital channels. Because if you're not, you know for a fact that agencies are there who are managing your digital marketing, and then they can come up with any random thing which you are not aware, and you'll not be in a comfortable position to manage the agencies. So the roles and responsibilities of a digital marketing professional is also, first of all, knowing what exactly is expected out of you in a particular company. You should be aware of certain tools. Hands-on practices is very, very necessary. And of course, keeping a track of daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly, and yearly activities. That's something which is very important. You will have set budgets out there.